So after passing by both the houses, the bill is sent to the governor. Now the governor has some options. Governor can give assent to the bill. Bill will become an act. Governor can withhold the bill. It's nothing but rejecting the bill. That means the bill will end at that time itself. Governor can send the bill for reconsideration. Governor can return the bill for reconsideration one time. And again, if after reconsideration the bill is sent back to the governor with or without amendments, governor must sign at this time. For this, after reconsideration, again if the bill is present to the governor in the same form or in the amended form, at that time the governor must sign in that bill. Next option with the governor is, governor can reserve the bill to the consideration of President of India. See, now let's compare with Parliament. When a bill is passed by both the houses of the Parliament, that is by Lok Sabha as well as Rajya Sabha, it is sent to President for assent. Again, the person has these three options: can assent, can withhold, can send the bill for reconsideration of the Parliament, and again after reconsideration, if the bill come back, the President must sign. The same applicable here also. But thing is, here the powers is with the governor regarding state legislature. The extra option left for governor is, governor can reserve the bill for the reconsideration of the President. That means thereafter it is the President who has to give assent to that bill of state legislature. Fine. Thereafter the bill will be dealing with the President and the state legislature. So once a bill is sent to the consideration of the President, now the President has some options. See, this is regarding state legislature bill. Okay, a state legislature bill after passing by both the houses, in case of unicameral legislature, so in case of bicameral legislature, or if the bill is passed by the legislative assembly, in case of unicameral legislature, bill is sent to governor for the assent. And among the option left for governor is, reserve the bill for the consideration of the President of India. And when the bill is in the hands of President of India, the President has some options. One is to give assent to the bill. President can withhold the bill. That means rejection. President can send a bill for reconsideration. But here comes the difference. If a state bill is returned by the President of India for reconsideration, I repeat, if a state bill is returned by the President for reconsideration, and after reconsideration, bill is again sent back to the President only and not to the governor. See, once the bill is reserved for the President, then the role of governor is over. Then the bill will be dealing with the President of India and the concerned state legislature. Okay, and if the President send back the bill for reconsideration of the state legislature, and if again the bill is sent with or without amendments, now it is not binding on the President to sign. Now let's make a comparison. See, if the governor returned the bill for reconsideration, and if after reconsideration the state legislature send the bill back to governor, the governor is bound to sign. Governor must sign. Okay. Again, relation of President with the parliamentary bill. A bill is sent by the Parliament to the President, and the President sent back the bill for reconsideration of the Parliament. If the Parliament passes the bill again and sent to President, at that time the President must sign. But this exception is for the relation between the President and bill of state legislature. Once a state legislature bill is sent to the governor, governor may reserve the bill for the President, and if the President then recommend or reconsider the bill for the reconsideration of the bill for the state legislature again, and if the bill is sent back to the President again with or without amendments, it is not binding on the president to sign that concerned bill. This exception you must note down. Because again a statement can be asked. If a state legislature bill after reconsideration sent back for the president for assent, it is binding on the president. No, it is not binding on the president. Please note down that. Okay, and one more thing regarding return of a bill. See, money bill cannot be returned. Money bill cannot be returned for reconsideration. I think we have learned that under the parliament topic also. So please note down these differences. Okay, this after reconsideration of the state bill, it is not binding on the president to sign it. Fine.